These are the Rowan Arboretum walking tours. What I do is I lead students and faculty and administrators and staff on walking tours of the campus trees. And I do that about once a month, and I give different tours depending on the season. So the trees are always changing, and so are the tours. Since the university was founded, there was an interest in keeping the campus beautiful. And so even the very first scientist that was hired, who was a botanist, John Sangri, was tasked with planting trees and making the campus pretty again. And so since then, it's just been a lineage of people caring for the grounds, planting new trees and taking care of them. I got involved in 2021 when I met the landscape architect, and we've been building this arboretum now for 3 years and keep working on it every year. From the beginning, one of the goals was to achieve accreditation, and part of that is just a title, but part of it is a recognition of what we're doing. It's a recognition of our mission, and it's a recognition of our dedication to the trees and to the campus. Right now we just have 30 signs. They are on reclaimed southern red oak wood. The signs themselves were designed by students. And so if you interact with the signs, you can scan the QR code and it will take you to a web page that talks about that species, and so you can learn more. But longer term, we want to put signs on like a couple hundred trees, and so that you can walk through any space and see signs kind of as you go. What I've learned when I started doing the tours is that there's a lot of people who've worked at the university for much longer than I have and are hungry for this type of knowledge and want to learn more. I feel like a lot of people are very disconnected from nature these days. And so one of my favorite parts about doing this project and what it gives me is that connection. And so I've been excited by the number of staff members and faculty, alumni, and retirees that have come on the tours. I expect the university to change a lot over the next 15, 20 years, but I hope that the trees and the arboretum are part of that's part of the decision making, and that as we build new things, we think about what's already there and we work with it instead of removing it.